Hello everybody, it's Diana with stampingwithdie.com. Good morning or good afternoon depending on where you live. It's almost afternoon here. I wanted to pop in. I don't usually, I'm making sure that I'm in the right spot. Alright, I just wanted to make sure. I usually don't do lives on my page. I usually do them on my YouTube channel. But I thought, you know what, maybe I should do one just to kind of let you know what's going on this month, since there's only like a little over a week, isn't it? A little over a week left, or a week, and the month's over. So I wanted to pop on here, say hello, and tell you what I have going on. And I also would love it if you actually did follow me on my YouTube channel. I do have a private Facebook group, and that's where I was doing a lot of my lives, and I would do some on YouTube, I would do some on the Facebook, and it was so confusing, right? So it's a lot easier to do them on the YouTube, and it's because it's easier to share that YouTube link to the video on Facebook than vice versa. I was having issues when I would do the Facebook Live, and then I would save it and to put it on YouTube, and the audio and the video were not syncing up. I'm deaf, I wear hearing aids, but it drives me nuts if the lips do not move with the voice. So I don't know, maybe that bothers you too. So I just started just to do the lives on YouTube. So if you are missing those, that's where you're gonna find me. So I will put my YouTube channel down underneath this video when it's done, but if you have any questions or whatever, make sure you ask them, and make sure you email me, you know, if you have questions as well. So I'm gonna flip the phone around. Let's see, do I want to flip it yet? Oh, not yet. All right, so I have a few things going on this month. All right, so hold on a minute. We have Sale-A-Bration. There's only a week left for Sale-A-Bration, and things are already running out. So one of the things that has run out is the Dazzling. This is some beautiful paper. It's the Dazzling 6x6 specialty paper. So I actually have 3 packs of these. So I'm going to do a giveaway. So this can only be in the United States because I can't send them outside of the United States. And let me tell you how you can have a chance to win one of these. So what you want to do is you want to either share my Facebook page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can place an order. So between September 21st to September the 28th, I'm doing double eggs, and I will explain that when I turn the camera around. So if you order between September the 21st and September the 28th, your name will go in a hat. So subscribe to my YouTube, share my Facebook page, and or place an order. So you have those three things, right? And then your name, not all, you have to do all 3. I mean, if you do, that's cool. But you want to make sure you let me know though, because it's not like Facebook is going to tell me that you shared it, and YouTube, you know, won't tell me that you shared it. So you need to make sure either in the comments, or you need to email me and say, I shared it, you know, I subscribed, and then I will put your name in a hat, and then I will pick the 3 winning names, because there's 3 packets, so 3 winning names on September the 29th. Okay, and so I'll do that live because I just thought it'd be fun, you know, because this is beautiful paper, and they did run out of it. So maybe it was on your list and you never got one. So cross your fingers. All right, so I have that to share. So I shared that. Let's see what else. All right. Also in the holiday catalog, I know it's not called holiday anymore, there is the Christmas Whimsy Kit. Now those are available while supplies last, and so I have this one. I have another one coming. So if you order one of these from my store and it has an item code of 158. Hold on a minute. Got a message coming in the way. 158166. If you order one of those, let me know. You know, order in my store, let me know. If you are a member of my team, that's different because you'll just order your own through yourself. But on October the 2nd, it's World Card Making Day. So I want to get together with all the people, like my team that have the kit, you'll let me know. And also everybody that ordered one of these from my store. And I want to send out a Zoom and we'll get together and we'll make our kits. So I have the one here, and they're super cute. They have these fun little owls, but like I said, I have another one coming because I want to play around with them, because these ones I did on one of my lives, and they are so adorable, but I did them pretty much like it said to, but I want to play with it a little bit, so I ordered another kit because these are adorable. These are so cute. All right, so make sure. All right, so let me close that. And like I said, if you have any questions, just holler. All right, so what else do I have going on? All right, so I told you about Sale-A-Bration almost being over. So let me turn the phone around so I can explain this stuff a little bit better. All right, flip the phone. All right, so here is the double eggs that I'm talking about. And, all right, so I always have a program, and it is Country Dozen Rewards. So you have this little sheet, and you can get it off my blog. And I also, when you place an order with me, I always send an email right away first, thanking you for your order. And then I have this as an attachment, and then you just print it out, and you keep track of your orders. So what you do, for every 50 before tax and shipping, you get, I just call them eggs, right? Because I'm out in the boonies, we have our chickens and our ducks. So, and then when you collect a dozen eggs, you can pick $35 worth of goodies. But right now, September the 21st to September the 28th, so that's also the dates that I was talking about, to get your name in the hat, to win, have a chance to win one of the packs of the Dazzling paper. So that's September 21st to September 28th. You get double eggs. So if you order 50 before tax and shipping, you get two eggs. If you spend 100, you get 4 eggs, and so on. So anyways, so that is that's going on with the Double Country Dozen Rewards. There's also a Hostess Code. So there's like so much stuff I'm sharing with you today. So hopefully it's not too overwhelming. But like I said, I usually don't do it on my page. All right. So this is the Hostess Code for September. So if you're placing an order, please use that, unless you are ordering enough to get Hostess benefits. And in the States, that's $150 before tax and shipping. And then you would actually get 3 Sale-A-Brations. You would get Hostess benefits. So it's great. Then you wouldn't use the code, right? Because then you would get your own Hostess benefits. All right. Another thing that I have going on, I always do an incentive. So, so I should have grabbed the little round and square brads. Hold on a minute. Hold on, please. All right. So, I always do an incentive, even along with the $50 egg that you earn. If you spend $75 before tax and shipping, not only do you earn your reward point, but you have your choice of goodies or guts. And you're going to want to let me know what you prefer me to send you. And then, so that also is in that email, right, that I send. So you'll get an actual thank you card, but I always send out an email. But within that email, it says, do you want the goodies or the guts? And the goodies and guts change every month. So this is the first month I've started doing the guts, and I wanted to see how people liked that. And so the goodies you can choose are the round and square brads, and they're super fun. And brads can be used for so many things, right? They add this dimension to a card. They're great like for hinges and for movement. So you have your choice of the round and square brads, so that's the goodies. Or I've been looking back at some popular YouTube videos that I did. So then you have the, or you can pick the guts. So let me get that out of the way. So the guts are what you would need to make these cards. So these are the 3 cards that I chose for September. Now, nothing is stamped on them, so you would just use what you have at home. You know, or if you have, you know, the stamps that I used, by all means, you know, you could use those. And you'll get your packet in the mail. So here's the 3 cards with the embellishments, the ribbon, everything's cut, ready to go. But like I said, nothing is stamped on them. And then you can just watch the video, you know, from my YouTube channel, and you can make the cards right along with me. So this is, you know, something, like I said, I just started offering guts. I know when I would do classes in my home, I would always put card guts in the door prize basket, and oh my gosh, I swear, those always went first. Like, people were like, oh, I got the guts. You know, they would pick the card guts out of the door prize. So I thought, you know what? I offer a program with my team where it's just one card gut. They don't know what they're going to get, and it's like a challenge. So at least this one, you know what the finished product will be if you do them the same way. But it's fun just to have something already cut, ready to go. You use the stamps that you have at home. Let's see, what else do I have going on? I think I talked about that. All right. So I would love if you holler at me. Let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, I will put my YouTube channel below this video when it's done. And then my YouTube channel schedule is Monday is Mimeograph Monday. I always do 3 o'clock Arizona time, and we do not change our clocks in Arizona. So when you change your clocks in the spring or the fall, that 3 o'clock my time will never change, but it could change for you, right? Maybe you're going to be an hour ahead or behind or whatever than you might normally join me. So 3 o'clock, always 3 o'clock Arizona time. So Monday is my Mimeograph Monday, and that is where I case something out of the catalog. And it's called Mimeograph because mimeograph means copy, you know, so that's why I chose that. Teach Me Tuesdays are obviously on Tuesday. What You Making Wednesdays is just more fun. Yesterday I did Dollar Tree stuff, so you never know what's going on. I don't do any videos on Thursday, except today, right, where I'm just popping in here really quick. And then Friday is my dies shorts, and that's usually like a tip or a trick. Sometimes they go longer, but initially they had started out as they were just going to be something quick. That's why it was dies shorts. But you know, that's not always the case, right? So anyways, so I don't want to keep you any longer. I know you're very busy, and I just want to thank you for joining me today. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. All right, bye for now.